In the two previous videos, I have explained you sample question paper class 10 24-25 mathematics standard paper. Okay. So in the last two videos we have seen section A 1 to 10 questions in one video and section A itself and 11 to 20 questions in the another video. So today I am going to explain you about section B. Section B, how many questions are there? Five questions are there. In that, if you observe, question 21 and 22 have internal choice. Okay, one is A and one is B. So any one is enough to solve in your examination. But I will explain all the questions. Understood? So let us see the first question. 21st question. 21st question. A bit. So what they are asking, find the HCF and LCM of 480 and 720. Both HCF and LCM they are asking. Okay. Using prime factorization method. So already I have done so many videos according to how to find HCF and LCM using prime factorization method. You can go and watch in my previous videos. The same thing I am going to explain here. Okay. So first let us do prime factorization. This one you already know. 2 twos, 2 fours, 0. 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 zeros. 2 6, 2 zeros. 2 threes, 0. 2 ones are 2. 1 difference, 1 0 10. 2 fives are 10. And here 3 fives are 15. 5 ones are 5. Okay. Now coming to 720. 2 threes are 6. 2 six are 12. 2 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2, difference 1, 2 eights are 16, 2 zeros are 0, 2 nines are 18, 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8, difference 1, 1 0 10, 2 fives are 10, 3 ones are 3, difference 1, 3 fives are 15, 3 fives are 15, 5 ones are 5. Now how to find HCF and LCM? Okay, let us write in the form of powers. So 480 is equal to 2 is there how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times means 2 power 5 into 3 is there 1 time and 5 is also there only 1 time. Understood? Like this you have to write. Next coming to 720. 720 is equal to 2 is there how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 2 into 5 is there only one time. Okay. Now from here we are going to find HCF and LCM. So how to find HCF and LCM? What are the definitions? You know the definitions. Okay. So first let us find LCM of 480 comma 720. Steps are very much important here. That's why I am writing each and every step, students. Okay. So LCM of 480 into 720. So for taking LCM, what we are going to do? Common terms 2, 3, 5 with highest powers. What is the highest power for 2? 5 is there, 4 is there. So take 5. What is the highest power for 3? 2. What is the highest power for 5? 1. Okay. So 2 to power of 5 means 2 is multiplied 5 times. That is 32 into 3 square is 9 into 5. So what is the answer, students? 288 into 5. That will be equal to 1240. Yeah? 1440. 5 8s are 40. 1440. Understood? So the answer is 1440. Okay. Coming to HCF. So how to find HCF? HCF of 480 comma 720. So what we are going to take? What is the definition? Common factor with the least powers. Common factor with the least powers. So all three are common here. 2, 3, 5. What is the least power for 2? 4. Least power for 3, 1. Least power for 5, 1. HCF means common factors with least powers. LCM means all the factors. All the factors. 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 5 is a factor with highest powers. Okay. So now solve this. What will be your HCF? So 2 power 4 is 16 into 3 into 5. This will be equal to how much? 48 into 5. The answer will be 240. Understood? So what is your HCF and LCM? So LCM of 480 and 720 is 1440 and HCF of 480 and 720 is 240. Did you understand, students? So each and every step, writing each and every step is important for you. Okay. So here itself I have solved question number 21 A part. Now question number 21 B part. So this one is over. Now coming to B part. The HCF of 85 and 238 is expressible in the form of 85m minus 238. Find the value of m they are asking. So what we have to do? We have to find HCF of 85 and 238 first. Okay. So here place is not sufficient. So I am going to a new page and I will be solving there. Okay. So here I will solve. What is the question number? 21. Question number 21 B bit. So what they are telling? First you have to find the meaning. HCF of 85 comma 238 is equal to 85m minus 238. So what we are going to do? First find out the HCF. So do prime factorization now. Okay. So what is the prime factorization for 85? I am doing here. So 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 17 ones are 17 and 238. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So 111. So which number is possible? 119. So 17. 17. How much? 7s are. Okay. Again 7 ones are 7 or otherwise first you can take 7. So in order, take prime factors in order. 7 ones are 7. The difference is how much? 4. 49. 7 sevens are 49 and 17 ones are 17. So what is HCF? So here 85 is equal to 5 came one time and 17 also one time and 238 will be equal to 2 is one time, 17 is one time or first write 7. 7 is one time and 17 is one time. So what is HCF? HCF of 85 comma 238 is, what is the definition for HCF? What is the definition for HCF? Common factor with least powers. What is the common factor in these two? Only 17 is the common factor for both the numbers. So the answer is 17 with the least power is 1. That is equal to 17 is your answer. Understood? So now what we are going to do? We have to find the solution. So this 85m minus 238 will be equal to 17. Now you have to solve this. You know already transposing method. So minus 238 after transposing becomes plus 238. So 85 into m will be equal to how much? 255. Now m will be equal to 255 whole divided by 85. Therefore, m is equal to how much? So, take 5 table. Common factor 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 5 are 5. 5 7s are 35. Okay. So, 17 1s are 17. What is 17 3s are? 17 3s are 51. So, m is equal to 3 is your answer. Did you understand, students? Next. Okay. Next, let us go for question number 20. Let us read the question first. Okay. So, what is question number 22? Here it is. Two dice. So, this one is also over. Two dice are rolled together bearing numbers 4, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12. Means what is the meaning for this? Two dice are there. Actually, dice means we know the numbers only from 1 to 6. But here the numbers they have changed. Instead of 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 6 7 9 11 and 12 are there on the 6 faces of a dice. Okay. So find the probability that the product of numbers obtained is an odd number. Okay. So when will you get odd number? If you multiply two odd numbers, then definitely you will get an odd number. Right. So let us do it here. Question number 22, A bit now. Okay. Question number 22, A bit. Okay, students. Next. So, upon dice, what we are having? 4, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12. Okay. So, they are asking find the probability that the product of numbers obtained is an odd number. So, when will you get odd number? See, what are the odd numbers here? 6, 7, 9 and 11. Only 3 odd numbers are there. If you multiply these combinations, then only you will get the product as our odd number. Okay. So, possible outcomes. Let us see possible outcomes. Okay. What are possible outcomes? So, we have 7 in one die and 9. We can take 7 in another die or 7 in one die, 9 in another die. Next 7 in one die and 11 in another die. Okay. And next 9 in one die and 7 in another die. So like this, note down how many we will get. We will check. Okay. Next 11 and 7. Next combination is 11 and 9 and next combination is 11 and 11. So how many we got, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total possible outcomes is 9 here. Okay. Possible outcomes is 9 here. Okay. Let us write down total number of outcomes. So how many dice are there? Total number of outcomes. So how many dice are there? 2 dice. So 2 dice, how many combinations you will get? 6 into 6, that is equal to total 36. Understood, students? So now write the definition for probability. What is probability definition? Probability is equal to possible outcomes whole divided by total number of outcomes. So whatever formula you are using in your school or from your textbook, you can write that easily. I am writing in a simple understood manner. Okay. So 9 by 36. So just solve. You will get 1 by 4. Okay, students? So, did you understand? Next question. Question number 22, B bit. So, what is question number 22, B bit? Next. So A bit is over. Next B bit. How many positive 3-digit integers have the hundreds digit 8 and units digit? Hundreds digit must be 8 and units digit must be 5. You have to understand the question carefully. Okay. Find the probability of selecting one such number out of all 3-digit numbers. Okay. What we have to take, let us first find out what are 3-digit integers first. Then we will find out of that 3-digit, hundredth digit is 8 and units digit is 5. So I am going to do it here, students, for you. Next. Here I am going to do it for you. Okay. So next is 22nd question. B bit. So 22nd question, B bit. Okay. So here number of 3-digit numbers. So 3-digit numbers start with what number? 100, 101 and this goes on up to which number? 999. So out of these numbers from 100 to 999, we have to find out 100th place is 80. Digit is 8 and one's place is 5. So what will be the first 3-digit number having 100th digit? See here, this is 1, this is ones, this is tens, hundreds, right? So what will be the first one? 800, 801, 802, 803, 804, 805. So 805 will be our first number. What will be the second number? 100th digit is 8. Okay. And one's digit must be 5. Okay. So this one is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So in tens place, what will be our digit ma? 1. 815. Next, 825. Next, and this goes on. What will be the last number? So 999 is the last number, but 100th digit must be 8 and one's digit must be 5. So what will be our last number? 895. Okay. 895. So how many are there? Count. From 805 to 895. How many will be there, ma? Only 10. So now let us write number of possible outcomes. Okay. So number of possible outcomes will be equal to how many? 10. Okay. Next. Total number of outcomes. How many are there? Total number of outcomes is equal to from 100 to 999. How many 3-digit numbers are there? From 100 to 999. How many are there, ma? 900. Okay. If you want, you can count. Okay. So in order to save time, I am writing directly. Okay. Now what they are asking, we have to select only one number out of these 10 numbers. So probability is equal to. So how many possibilities are there? 10 possibilities are there. You have to write the formula. Okay. Number of possible outcomes whole divided by total number of outcomes. Okay, ma? So each and every step is important for you in your examinations. Okay. So 10 divided by 900. If you simplify, you will get 1 by 90 as your answer. Understood? Did you understand, students? Very, very easy now. Next. Next, coming to 23rd question. Coming to 23rd question. What is 23 question? So BBT is also over. Now 23rd question. Evaluate 2 sine square 60 degrees minus tan square 30 degrees whole divided by secant square 45 degrees. So you already know sine 60, tan 30, secant 45. Just apply the values, you will get answer. Okay, if you want, I will show here. Okay. So next one. Question number 23. Question number 23. So what they are asking? 2 sine square 60 degrees minus tan square 30 degrees whole divided by secant square 45 degrees. Okay. Now let us apply the values 2 into what is sine 60? What is the value of sine 60? Root 3 by 2 and square is there means whole square minus what is tan 30? 1 by root 3 and square is there. Okay. Whole divided by secant square 45. What is secant 45? Root 2 whole square. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and opposite to cos is secant. Secant 45 is root 2 whole square. Now let us solve this part. Okay, that will be equal to 2 into root 3 square is 3 by 2 square is 4 minus 1 by root 3 square is 3. Okay, here you have to do the fractions concept. Okay, root 2 whole square is 2. Understood, ma? Next. So cancel this, you will get 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3 whole divided by 2. Now you solve this. First you do the LCM. Okay. You will get 9 minus 2 whole divided by 2. So the answer is 9 minus 2 how much? 7 by 6. Okay. Into 1 by 2. So answer is how much? 7 by 12 is your answer. Okay. So just apply the fractions concept. You will get the answer. 7 by 12 is your answer for question number 23. Just apply the values. Over. Okay. Next question number 24. What is question number 23 also over. Next what is question number 24? Find points on the x-axis which is at a distance of root 41 units from the point 8 comma minus 5. So here I am going to do 24 question here students. So observe carefully. Try to draw the diagrams for coordinate geometry. This chapter is from coordinate geometry. Try to draw the diagrams. Okay. So what they are telling? There is a point on x-axis. See immediately this is question number 24. Right? So point on x-axis means what student? Point on x-axis means its coordinate will be x will be there. But y coordinate will be 0. Okay. Next what they are telling? This point is 24 units from another point. So I am drawing diagram here. This is x comma 0. We don't know the value. And this is how much distance? Square root of 41 units. And what is the from the point? Where is the another point? It is here. And this point is 8 comma minus 5. Okay. So this one will be x1. This one will be y1. This will be x2 and this will be y2. Okay, students. Now you know the distance formula. What is the distance formula? Distance formula. What is the distance? Distance they have given square root of 41. So square root of 41 will be equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is your formula. And this distance they have given as square root of 41 units. So both sides we are having square root. So what we can do? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Understood? So what we will get? Square root of 41 whole square will be equal to 41 and this square root will be cancelled out. So what is x2 here? So 8 minus x1 x whole square plus y2. So minus 5 minus y1 0 whole square. Now you have to solve this. Okay. So here you are getting identities also. So 41 will be equal to 8 minus x whole square means a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square minus, here this one we will get minus 5 whole square. Okay. Now 41 will be equal to, solve everything, minus 16x plus x square minus 5 whole square gives negative integer. Its power is even, means a positive integer. So 25. So minus is there in our expression already. Understood, ma? Now solve for this. So you can enlarge it or otherwise directly from here also we can do. So I will explain you both the methods. So 64 minus 25 how much? So 39 minus 16x plus x square. Okay. So now transpose this 41 also. 0 will be equal to 39 minus 41 minus 16x plus x square. Okay. 0 will be equal to x square minus 16x minus, so 39 minus 41 how much? 2. 2 or 2. Now this is a quadratic equation. After solving this you will get the answer. Or otherwise, in order to save time, this step I am writing again, 8 minus x whole square plus minus 5 whole square. Okay. So this one you will get 41 will be equal to 8 minus x whole square plus 25. Sorry, here plus is there, no? Sorry, here plus is there, plus 25. And from here let us do it once again, sorry. So plus 25 and 64 plus 25, how much? 89. So 89 minus 41 minus 16x plus x square you will get. This will be 41. Sorry. This will be 0. 41 is transposed, right? So 89 minus 41 how much? 8, 4. So 48 minus 16x plus x square is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. After solving you will get the values of x. Or otherwise, in order to save time, so 41 minus 25 will be equal to 8 minus x whole square. And 41 minus 25 how much? 6. 16. Okay. 8 minus x whole square. Now square root of 16 will be equal to 8 minus x. So square root of 16 gives plus or minus 4, that is equal to 8 minus x. Now solve for this. Okay. So first you take plus 4. How much you will get? X is equal to 8 minus 4. Just transposing, x will be equal to 4. Okay. Next, minus 4 will be equal to 8 minus x. So x will be equal to 8 plus 4. X will be equal to 12. Okay. So x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 12. So which coordinate you are going to take now? Okay, ma? So the points on x-axis are, on x-axis means the coordinates are, you have to write the step here. So point on x-axis. X-axis are, so maybe, so 4 means 4 comma 0 and 12 comma 0. Okay. Understood? So writing steps. So anything you can do. Either this one you can do, or this one you can do. Both you can do. You will get the same answer. Understood, ma? Next. Or understood? Question number 24. Easy. Next, the last question means in section B. In section B, last question is question number 25. Okay, so 24 is over, solved. 25. Show that the points minus 5 comma 6, 3 comma 0 and 9 comma 8 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So this one I am going to solve here for you, students. Let us do it here, okay? So you should know what is isosceles triangle first. You have to know what is isosceles triangle. So question number 25. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Two sides of a triangle are equal. Okay. So if I have a triangle ABC, AB must be equal to AC. Okay, means you have to get, what are the coordinates? A minus 5 comma 6 and B 3 comma 0 and C 9 comma 8. Okay. So A minus 5 comma 6, B 3 comma 0, C 9 comma 8. Now what we have to do? We have to find the distance between A and B and C and C and A. Means three distances you have to find. You already know what is the distance formula. Okay. AB, distance between AB is equal to, write the formula first, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, students. Now apply the values here. Apply the values. So A is A and B. If you are taking A and B, then your coordinates will be, this will be x1, this will be y1, this will be x2, this will be y2. Okay. So now apply here. X2 minus x1. 3 minus of minus 5 is there. Whole square plus y2. 0 minus 6 whole square. So apply the integers concept carefully. Minus of minus 5 is plus 5. 3 plus 5 whole square. How much? 8 square. Plus minus 6 whole square. So this gives 64 plus 36 and this gives as square root of 100, and square root of 100 is nothing but our 10. 10 units. Okay. 10 units. You have to write the units. Okay. This is our distance between AB. Understood, students? Now you have to find the distance between B and C. So where is B and C? It is here. So first I am writing B here, 3 comma 0 and C 9 comma 8. Now what will happen? See here. What will happen? So this becomes x1, this becomes y1, this becomes x2, this becomes y2. Now distance BC will be equal to square root of, already we have written the formula, so write down directly 9 minus 3 whole square plus 8 minus 0 whole square. Now solve this, students. Square root of 9 minus 3, how much? 6 square plus 8 square. So this also gives 36 plus 64. This is equal to square root of 100. So this will be equal to 10 units. Okay. So how much BC we got? 10 units. Okay. Next we have to find CA. Okay. CA or AC, both. Correct. CA. So what is the coordinate of C? 9, comma 8. And what is the coordinate of A? Minus 5, comma 6. Okay. Now here this becomes x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Now apply the formula. So minus 5 minus 9 whole square plus 6 minus 8 whole square. Okay. I am going quickly. Minus 5 minus 9 how much? Minus 14 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. You must know all square roots or square numbers up to 20 and 30 students. Okay. Next. So 14 square is 196 plus 4 square root of 200. Okay, we got square root of 200. If you solve this by using prime factorization method, you will get 10 root 2 units as CA. So check all the three distances. Students, check all the three distances I have highlighted with yellow color. So we are having AB 10 units, okay, and BC 10 units. So which two sides we are getting equal? AB and BC. AB and BC, okay. So AB and BC are equal. So this is 10 units. This is 10 units and this is 10 units and this is 10 root 2 units. Okay. So if two sides of a triangle are equal, then it is an isosceles triangle. So final step is very much important. You have to write the final step. Okay. Therefore, AB is equal to BC and the coordinates A minus 5 comma 6. Okay. Sorry, this is minus 5. Okay, students. Minus 5 comma 6 and B. What is B? 3 comma 0 and C. What is C? 9 comma 8 form an isosceles triangle. So this writing the final step is also very much important. Okay, students. So did you understand question number 25? Very, very easy now. So what you have to do, you have to try to understand the question first. Okay. So these are the questions from section B. Okay. In the next video, I am going to explain you about section C questions. Okay, students. So let us look at a glance. This is question number 25, question number 24, question number 23, question number 22, B part, and question number 22, A part, question number 21, B part, and question number 21 and A part here directly here I have explained for you. Okay. So if you really understand this video, questions from this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you, students.